Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your student visa with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your student visa with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, follow these essential steps. Begin by researching the type of student visa you need. Most international students apply for the F1 visa or the M1 visa. Choose a designated school that is approved by the Student and Exchange Visitor Program. Apply to your chosen school and be accepted for admission. Once accepted, you will receive a Form I-20, also known as the Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status. Review the Form I-20 carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Pay the USCIS fee, which supports the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. Keep your receipt as you will need it for your visa application. Complete the online non-immigrant visa application, known as Form DS-160. Ensure all answers are correct and complete before submitting the form. Upload a recent passport-sized photograph that meets U.S. visa requirements. After submission, print the confirmation page with the barcode. Schedule an appointment for your visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Prepare for the interview by gathering the necessary documents. These documents typically include your passport, Form I-20, USCIS fee receipt, and DS-160 confirmation. You may also need to provide financial evidence, academic records, and proof of ties to your home country. Attend the visa interview with all required documents. Be prepared to answer questions about your study plans, financial situation, and ties to your home country. If approved, pay the required visa issuance fee. You will then receive your student visa, allowing you to travel to the United States. Upon arrival, make sure to keep your Form I-20 and other important documents with you. Report to your designated school official upon arrival to validate your acceptance. Follow all regulations to maintain your student status and enjoy your studies in the U.S. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.